Hey, let me show you the differences between the Android phone and the iPhone when you connect to both devices the Huawei Watch Fit 3. So, on the Android smartphone we got more features to use. And the first feature is definitely the music, so we can actually transfer music into this watch when we are using Android smartphone. But on the iPhone we actually cannot do this. The next option that we are missing on the iPhone, it's the app gallery. So we cannot actually download apps like I did, for example, right here at the bottom. So I just download this game. But the good point is that if you actually download these apps from the Android phone and then reconnect to the iPhone, you will still have this app. So as you can see, there's actually the game that it's not available as default. I downloaded this app when I was connected into the Android phone, and I still have it when I'm using it with the iPhone. So there's actually one trick how we can actually bypass this lack of the function in the iOS. Next, and another difference will be in the notifications. So on the Android, you can actually find the list of all apps that you have on your phone, but on the iPhone, you only got messages, Huawei Health, calendar, and other apps. So in the Android, you can pick specific application to disable or enable notifications, but on the iPhone, you cannot do this. Also, on the Android, you can find the quick replies that you can customize. On the iPhone, you cannot do this. You can only reply with this quick replies as default. And that's basically it. So there's the only difference that you can find between both devices. On the both devices, you can, for example, answer the phone calls. You can speak through your watch, and of course you can answer the messages, but only with this quick replies and the emojis. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.